Hi, I want to show you how I made it. Spacer, it's a 2 centimeter spacer for a bigger battery. It's a 3D print. You have a little bit more space for your leg on the front, because you have a steering damper. It's a little bit tricky to put a foot on the front. This is a little bit like 2 centimeter more, and you can print it on a smaller 3D printer. It's made it from 8 pieces. It has 3 pieces on the side and 1 on the back and 1 on the front, and you basically make it like a puzzle. You just put it together. You can just screw it with a screw or glue it and screw it. M3 screw with the 30 millimeter length. I think I'm gonna glue it here and here. You just put it two together. There's a holes for a screw. You have 2 screws on the side, here and here. They are inside, so you cannot see the screw when you're gonna put it together. And you have 2 more screws on this side and here on an angle. You need to check it out if it's flat, because sometimes this is like an angle, so sometimes can be crooked. Then you have 1 piece, and here's another on this side, and basically everything fits together. Here's a small piece, so it's just 1 screw. And on the front you have 2 more here on the angle. It's on the bottom, so you cannot see. And 1 more tricky one, it's inside. Of course I don't have a screwdriver, it's so short, that's why it's a tricky one. And if you have everything together, basically fits perfect. Here is 2 holes where this cover was not mounted to it, and this is 30 millimeter M6 screw. You just start with this. You started with these 2 to make it align. Of course you can put a silicone or a gasket silicone under it, or 3D print another gasket, because of course you have just 1, or you can just buy it another one. And you need a little bit longer. There are 30 millimeter and 4 and 4. I think they are M4. Of course, first you need to put it this piece of crap. And for these covers, you don't need to have a screw on top. There is like a space what this is going in, and it's holding by the new spacer. Oh, what's happening here? And for this, you need to move the damper a little bit, because this is higher. And you need to 2 new screws. I put it 70, but I think 60 is enough. And basically that's it. Everything fits, everything holds together.